I have been to Dubai Mall before, but that time I traveled in a car. Super easy, just 20 minutes and I was there. But this time I challenged myself. No cab, just public transport, bus and metro for the full experience. And let me tell you, it was not a cakewalk. I used my Knoll card. It's like a prepaid smart card you need for all public transport in Dubai. You have to tap it when you get in the bus and when you get off. And that's how they calculate your fare. And same goes for metro. You tap at the entrance gate to enter and again while exiting the station. If you forget to tap, you might get overcharged or even fined. I started from the nearest bus stop from my area. The bus was clean and on time. I got down at On Passive metro station. I tapped it again and waited for the train. Reaching the actual Dubai Mall from the station took so much walking. Long corridors, escalators, tunnels. It felt like a mini journey in itself. At one point, I genuinely thought I could have just taken a cab and saved all this effort. But I still chose this route intentionally just to experience how the metro system works in Dubai. For context, a cab from my area would have cost 45 to 55 dirhams and taken 20 minutes like last time. If you're planning to take a public transport here, make sure you really wear a comfortable shoes and carry water because walking is definitely a part of the package. But I'm glad I did it. This wasn't just a visit to Dubai Mall, but a full-on travel experience. It wasn't just about going somewhere. It was about trying something new and going out of my comfort zone and understanding how this city moves. I wandered around, checked out a few stores, and gave myself a little treat. Just something to enjoy after all that effort. After spending some time there, it was time to head back. So I followed the same route in reverse. That long walk back to the metro station, caught the train again, got off at On Passive Metro. Even during return, I made sure to tap the card correctly at every stop. I was honestly so tired but also kind of happy because now I know this is how daily life is for a lot of people here. This day actually gave me a real perspective. Yes, I could have taken a cab and saved energy, but I would have missed the experience. If you are new in Dubai or visiting for the first time, I honestly recommend doing this once. It's not fancy, but it's real. There were moments I felt tired, confused, unsure where to go next, but that's how you grow, doing things yourself, even when it's uncomfortable. So, yes, no shortcuts, no cabs, just me and the city. Alright, thanks for coming along on this little journey with me. Drop your story in the comments. Let's connect, share, and make each other's travel easier. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.